Greetings from Answerize, your gateway to galaxy of opportunities with wide variety of programs for your learning and upskilling. In this video, we will explore what AWS Free Tier is, the types available, and how you can create your own free AWS account. Let's get started. The AWS Free Tier allows customers to use, explore, and experiment Amazon Web Services at no cost. To understand it better, let's head over to the AWS Free Tier web page. So let me type AWS Free Tier here. You can click on this. So now we are in the AWS Free Tier web page. And AWS Free Tier enables customers to gain free hands-on experience with the AWS products and services. AWS Free Tier is available in three types: always free, 12 months free, free trials. So let's quickly understand what exactly each type is. So in free trial AWS Free Tier, AWS allows customers to use some of the services at no cost for short period of time. And this offer starts when you begin using that service. And 12 months free type is available only to the new AWS customers, and it starts on the date you sign up with the AWS. And always free type is available to both the new and existing AWS customers. Part of this type, AWS allows customers to use some of the services always at no cost within some usage limit. From AWS, we have so many services to cover different use cases. So here you can see some of the top product categories from the AWS. We have compute, database, storage, containers, mobile serverless, and machine learning, and many more apart from these services. And even in the same page, you can actually find out and explore what are the services available in each category by selecting here. And you can find EC2 from compute, you can see S3 from storage, you can see RDS from database, and many more. And each service list, what is the usage limit part of the free tier you will get. Now, to get started, you need to create an AWS account. So let me walk you through the process to create an AWS account. So let's click on how to create an AWS account. So in this page, you can see we need to follow these 6 steps to create an AWS account. So I will walk you through the step-by-step process to create an AWS account. Let's click on create an AWS account. Okay, so now we are redirected to the sign up page for the AWS. Here it is asking for email address. So let me enter my email address for the account creation. And then it is asking to give the name for our AWS account. So let me give that. Once you're done with giving your email address and account name, you can click on verify email address. So you will receive one verification code in your email inbox. Go there and get that code, and you can enter it here. Click on verify. So once you're done with the verification, it is asking you us to put an password for our AWS account for the login. So I am giving my password here. Yeah, once you're done with entering your password, you can click on continue. And then in this step, you need to select which type of account we are going to use. So obviously we are going to use the AWS account for our learning purpose. So you can select personal, and then here it is asking for our contact information and everything. So enter the name here, and for phone number, select country code and enter your phone number. Then select the country or region, and then enter the complete address. And you need to enter all the boxes. So once you're done filling all the details, check this box of terms and conditions, then click on continue. So here in this page, we need to enter our billing information. So here it's going to ask you for the card details, and but don't worry, this is just for the authentication and verification purpose. AWS is not going to charge you anything in your free tier limits. Okay, so I'm entering my card details here. Let me enter card number, then the expiry date, then the CVV and the card holder's name. And once you're done with entering your card details, you can click on verify and continue, and you can leave all these options as it is. Like billing address, you already enter the address in before, I mean previous step, right? You can select that only. And this pan card option, you can leave it for now, and you can click on verify and continue. Sorry, so it is not actually allowing us to proceed further without this pan option, so you can select as no or yes, whatever you want. So you can click on verify and continue. Then it is taking us to the next step. And as I mentioned, AWS is not going to charge you anything. Okay. For the authentication purpose or the verification purpose, it is going to deduct a little amount. If you see here, it is charging me 2 rupees, only 2 rupees from my card. So you need to enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number with your bank. Once entering, click on submit. So it is processing our payment. And these 2 rupees also, once the verification is completed, the AWS is going to refund or return back that 2 rupees amount to your account. Okay. Now we are done with the payment also. So here, then again, it is asking for to select the name. So we already given our name in the first step, right? So you can select that same name, and it is asking for the purpose of the account. So we are going to use it for personal use only, right? So you can select the personal use, and ownership type, you can select individual, right? And then it is asking for the document proof. So you can select PAN or voter ID or driving license, whatever you have, and you can give your date of birth here in the format whatever it is asking. So it is first we need to enter the year, and enter month with a slash, and then date, right? And then it is asking for the ID proof number whatever we selected, right? Just give that. These all details are to maintain the security only. Okay, and you can check this box of the verification purpose or process, and let's click on continue. So here you need to complete the verification for your mobile number. So you can select the verification process. If you want the text message on your SMS, you can select this. Otherwise, if you want the OTP on the call, you can select voice call. I'm going with the text message, and select the country code from here, India, and then enter your mobile number, and enter the captcha correctly. PXSTN. Once you're done with this, click on send SMS. So you are going to get the verification code on the mobile number what you entered just now. So enter that verification code here, and click on continue. So we are done with all the steps, and now we need to select the support plan for our AWS account. And you can go with the basic support, in which you are going to get the required support inside our free tier. And which is not going to cost you anything. So select the basic support plan and click on complete sign up. That's it. You're ready to use the AWS now. So start today and explore AWS services. And you can click on go to the AWS Management Console. So you can click on sign into the console. That's it. Now we are in the AWS Management Console. This is our AWS cloud. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. And if you have any more questions, AWS is providing comprehensive facts page to resolve all your general questions related to the AWS Free Tier usage and billing, everything. So you can go to this page if you have any more questions. That's it. Thanks for that. And if you still want to know more information, you can contact us at Answerize. The contact details are going to be provided in the description. Thank you for watching this video and happy learning.